Hello USD 489, this is Marie Henderson. In this video, we're going to look at creating a shared folder in the OneDrive app, and then we'll add a Word document to it. In this video, I'm using my iPad, but this works much the same way with the OneDrive apps installed on a smartphone or other tablet. To get started, I'm here in the Files portion of the app. So down here across the bottom, notice that the word Files is selected. And so then here at the top right, I have a plus sign that I'm going to tap, and I'm going to tap here in the middle to create a folder. And so for the purposes of the contest, I'm going to go ahead and call it 6 days, and maybe I'm going to use my last name. You can use the name of your team, you can use your name, whatever you want to do so that you and your teammates can easily find your folder later. And so then if you tap this little toggle switch below the folder name, we can go ahead and enable sharing of this folder. And if you tap in the little example box there, we can type the email addresses of the people with whom you want to share the folder by tapping below the first email address and adding another one. So you do need to know the email addresses of your teammates. And then once you've added each teammate, don't forget to add me so that I can check you off for your points for the contest. And then you definitely want to turn on this option here at the bottom to allow editing. So if you tap on that toggle switch, it turns blue. And so now people will be able to edit not only the Word document you add, but they'll be able to add Word documents themselves that everyone will be able to edit as well. And so here in the top right corner, I'm now going to tap to create. And so it works on that for me and then pops the folder open. And of course, to begin with, it's empty. And so then we'll tap on the plus sign again in the top right corner. And this time we're going to tap on Word document so that we get a Word document added. And you'll notice that the Word app will open. So you'll want to have had that installed previously. And it will open a new document here for you. And of course, it gives that kind of a default name, but I'll show you how to change it. And so maybe in this first document, you and your team will be discussing the core value, be a champion for all students. So I'll just kind of type a little heading here to help my team get started. And now everyone would be able to go in and add their comments about how they uphold that core value in their daily work. And so then I want to go ahead and get this document named. So I tap the back arrow in the top left corner. And then here in the Word app, you'll see that your most recent file is listed first. And if you tap on the 3 dots at the end of the row of that file, one of the options in this menu is to rename. And so if we tap the X to get rid of that default name, we can type the name of the core value, and then in the top right corner, tap to rename. And so now if I double click my home button and go back over to OneDrive, you'll see that my new file, Be a Champion for All Students, is right there available for my team. As always, if you have questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks and have a great day.